Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So we're one step closer to the Oakland A's moving to Las Vegas with these new renderings that they revealed, which would replace the Tropicana. Imagine having a full-size baseball stadium at that corner. That would be a magnificent sight. Clark County still has a few days to review and approve the financing plan, which would include a big $180 million tax credit. While they sort all that out, let's enjoy the renderings that the Oakland A's have released. It's too bad we will lose an iconic hotel, but it looks like we're gonna get something awesome in return. Bally's, which owns and operates Tropicana, will demolish the Tropicana but may actually still operate a new casino resort on the property next to the stadium, it seems. If all gets approved, the stadium could be open in time for the 2027 Major League Baseball season. Anyway, a story we will continue to follow. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to help my channel. Thanks.